Hello kids. So previously we learned that they believe that video games are some believe that video games are really good and some believe that video games are not at all good. So where did they collect the evidences regarding this video games? So playing too much. So we can play, we have many benefits, like if we play the video game we can increase our hand power. Yes. So vision also improves, means we can fast calculate the things. Such things are there, the benefits. Now coming to the against topics, we can say that more if we observe the video games, we are going to lose our vision and we are not going to enjoy with our friends. Even we can't spend much time in the environment, in the nature. So like this, some against also there. But how are we able to collect the information? So our aim is to identify the different sources of evidences. So from the lesson which we have learned, we came to find the evidences that where from the girl is able to find the evidences. So there are many things that we can find the evidences. We can find the evidences just by the teachings. Someone, we are learning from someone. If someone teaches, yes, like teacher, mother and some other, the teachers. Or we can collect the information from books. From the books, we are able to get the information. And even through magazines. So not only from books, even in television also. From television, they will inform us something which is going to happen. Even if we see earthquake is going to come. So about earthquake or something, we can get it from the television. The information is passed to us. In the same way, from television we have some place where they discuss regarding a topic. From there we can collect the information. And also through internet, we are able to get the things from the internet. And even from scientists, the scientists tell us, they predict the things. The scientists, they tell us what is going to happen. And even by our own experience, we can get something. Yes? Even through our own experience, we can know. Even a small kid can know that if we touch the hot things, our hand will burn. So even from experience also, we can learn something. So there are many ways to find, there are many evidences of different sources are there. So but how we are going to? So we want to listen to the teachings of our teacher or some parents. We want to collect the information. We want to read more and more books to speak out. And also when we observe the television, when a related topic is there, you want to check it out and you want to find it out. Through internet, we can Google and we can get all the information for and against a topic. So whether it is good, whether it is bad. And the scientists and even through our experience. So these are the things which we are going to find the evidences and sources. Now coming to your volume, there you have got one thing. So from the lesson also we came to know that the girl came to know, she read many books and there she had found some scientists told regarding those. Now if you come to page number 18 of your volume. So evidence flow chart. So you can read an essay, the benefits of homework. So after reading the benefits of homework story, what you want to do is you want to complete the evidence chart. How did the author of this essay know the benefits of homework? How? How come we know? So how we know? We have many sources, but here you want to find from the passage itself how the author came to know about the benefits of the homework. Now coming to the second one, where did the author find this information? So what mode did he use? Did he learn from someone? Did he learn it from books, television, internet, or through experience, or from the scientists? So whatever is there you want to write. Now how did the researchers find out all this information? So why? How the researchers are able to do all this? What they are doing? You know that even they come, so what regarding the population and everything, they come to our house, they collect the information and they go. In the same way, how these researchers, they were able to find out the information. Now basing on this, try to complete your volume, page number 18 and send it through WhatsApp.